Okay, these are the Mod 7 notes, designing studies. A lot of stuff for you to read here, very quick recording. We are taking a look at the difference between an observational study, which is where the researcher does not control or manipulate the explanatory variable in any way. So that's where we have a situation, we collect data from the situation and see what we can tell from that. That's different than an experimental study, where participants are randomly assigned to groups and the treatment or what we're studying is actively manipulated. And it may be that some people get a certain treatment, they get to listen to music, and some people just don't. Okay, it could be more involved than that. So we're going to look at the 3 examples at the bottom. Okay. We want to decide which is an observational study, which is an experimental, and explain why. So the first one here, in order to discover which of 4 weight loss programs gets the best results, subjects are randomly selected to each of the programs. So we're assuming these are all people that are fairly consistent or similar in their desire to lose weight. That random selection to each of 4 programs makes this experimental. Second one, in order to find out which graduates have the highest starting salaries, we gather information from graduates of Ivy Leagues, private and public universities. This is definitely observational. There is no way to randomly assign the universities. That's an S at the end. A delivery company that owns a fleet of trucks performs a study to determine whether rotating tires at specific intervals has any effect on the number of miles a set of tires lasts. Feels like there is not enough info, but if we talk about at specific intervals, we can call this experimental, provided that we've got some sort of random selection on the trucks or tires. The final page here is information that you need. I am not going to read this to you. Keep in mind, just because there appears to be a relationship does not necessarily mean that one of our variables causes the other. Read carefully.